Okay, imagine this: a cat in a chef's hat cooking ramen noodles with background music and sassy subtitles. Sounds ridiculous, right? But here's the crazy part. This exact style of content is blowing up right now on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. We're talking millions of views, hundreds of thousands of followers, and in some cases, a monetization stream that runs 24/7. But what if I told you that you could start making these viral cat cooking videos right now using nothing but AI? No filming, no voiceovers, no cats, just your creativity, a bit of strategy, and the right tools. Whether you're a total beginner or a side hustler looking for something fun and profitable, this tutorial is going to walk you through how to build a cat cooking content empire from scratch. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll be ready to post your first cat chef video that could blow up overnight. Why cat cooking is the ultimate viral combo? Let's start with the obvious question: why cat cooking? Why not dogs? Or just food content? The answer lies in virality psychology. First, cats rule the internet. That's not just a meme, it's backed by years of viral data. Cats are cute, expressive, unpredictable, everything that keeps viewers hooked. Second, cooking videos already dominate TikTok and Shorts. Just add satisfying sounds, quick edits, and quirky commentary, and people are watching them on loop. Now, when you combine those two, adorable cats and chaotic cooking, you're tapping into two separate audiences at once: pet lovers and foodies. That's how some Faceless AI generated channels have amassed millions of views in weeks. And since it's unique, it bypasses most of the algorithm's competition filters. It's weird, niche, and exactly what platforms are pushing in 2025. Step 1: team planning, the content strategy. Before diving into tools and AI prompts, you need a game plan. Your goal isn't just to create one funny cat video, it's to build a recognizable brand that pumps out viral shorts consistently. So what should that strategy look like? Start by deciding on your cat character. Is it a grumpy master chef, a clueless kitten who keeps burning everything? Maybe a Gordon Ramsay style savage feline yelling at invisible assistants. Give your cat a personality. This will help viewers connect and binge watch your videos. Then decide on your content style. Will it be fast-paced like BuzzFeed Tasty but with pause, or calm and aesthetic with lo-fi music and gentle cat reactions? Think about episode themes. Tat makes sushi for the first time. Boom, a hit. Chef Kitty tries to make a birthday cake, fails hilariously. Another winner. Keep it episodic, quirky, and dramatic. Remember, it's not about perfect realism. It's about weird, watchable fun. Step 2: generating the video script using ChatGPT. Now let's talk scripting. Even short form videos need a structure, a hook, a middle build up, and a payoff. But don't worry, you won't be writing it from scratch. Open ChatGPT and type in this prompt: write a 60-second TikTok script for a funny video where a cat tries to cook spaghetti. The tone should be humorous, chaotic, and cute. Add inner thoughts and a dramatic ending. Hit enter and wait for the magic. You'll get a full script with narration, reactions, and even subtitles you can paste into the video. Want variety? Ask for 5 different versions or change the dish: pancakes, ramen, tacos, whatever fits your cat's cooking journey. You can also ask ChatGPT to write in a specific dialect, add local slang, or mimic viral TikTok tones. In less than 10 minutes, you'll have a library of funny, shareable scripts ready to go. Step 3: generating the cat visuals with AI. Now comes the fun part: bringing the chef cat to life without owning a single pet. For this, head over to Leonardo.AI or Midjourney. These tools let you generate hyper-realistic or cartoon-style cat images in seconds. Start with a prompt like, a fluffy orange cat wearing a chef hat, standing on a kitchen counter, looking confused. In cartoon style, you can make multiple image prompts based on the script. For example, cat boiling water, but it overflows. Tat covered in flour after a cooking fail, cat presenting the final dish proudly. Each frame becomes a visual for your short video. Can even regenerate facial expressions to match the mood. Want the cat to wink, look shocked, smirk like a smug MasterChef? Just tweak the prompt and rerun it. Step 4: animating your cat chef. Static images are cool, but animation adds the wow factor. AI, RunwayML, or DID to animate your images. Upload the generated cat scenes and ask the tool to animate small movements, like blinking, tilting the head, or moving paws slightly. You don't need Pixar-level animation. just enough movement to make the video feel alive. Combine this with panning effects or zooms inside CapCut and you'll have a fully animated sequence ready to go. Layer video overlays like smoke, fire, bubbles, or glitter to make the kitchen chaos even more fun. Step 5. Adding AI voiceover and narration. Now you need a voice. If your cat has a personality, it needs a distinct voice too. Use tools like 11 Labs, or PlayHT to create an AI-generated voiceover. Copy the script from ChatGPT, paste it into the voice tool, and choose a tone, maybe a sarcastic British voice for your classy cat, or a squeaky fast, talking voice for a kitten in Training Chef. You can even make it sound robotic on purpose. Some viewers love the dry humor. Export the voice and drop it into CapCut or InShot. Want to add text narration or thoughts instead of voice? Easy. Use bold captions and emojis to bring the cat's inner dialogue to life. Why is the pasta alive? Works better than a generic subtitle. Step 6C. Editing the video in CapCut or Vid.AI. Now that you've got images, animation, and voice, it's time to stitch them together. Open CapCut 7 mobile or desktop or use Vid.AI's Faceless creator. Drop your assets into the timeline and follow this format. Hook.RE 5 seconds, a dramatic moment, like spaghetti flying into the air. Add on screen text. This cat tried to cook. It went VRY, wrong. Build. Up 30 seconds. Narrate each step. Boiling water. Adding sauce. Burning the pan. Looking confused. Climax and payoff. Cease 30 hours and 50 seconds. The cat serves the spaghetti. Maybe the kitchen is in flames. Maybe the cat eats the food and loves it. Either way, give us a punchline. CTAs 50 to 60 seconds. Use captions like, should Chef Whiskers open a restaurant next? Or, what dish should he try next? Comment below. Add sound effects like meows, explosions, or dramatic drums. Background music. Go with viral TikTok cooking sounds or lo-fi jazz for that kitchen vibe. Add a few zoom ins, sparkles, GFs, and boom. Your masterpiece is ready. Step 7. Posting on TikTok and YouTube Shorts for maximum reach. Now, it's time to upload. When posting your video, keep the title short, weird, and clickable. Examples. Tat tries cooking for the first time. Why did he add cereal to soup? Chef Mio's disaster dinner. Use 3-5 niche hashtags like FayCatChef, FayAI Shorts, FayWait Ed TikTok, FetFood Fails, FayKitchen Chaos. YouTube Shorts also include Fay Shorts. On TikTok, geo-target your post to your local audience first, then expand. Post at least once a day, preferably twice. TikTok favors volume, while YouTube Shorts loves consistency. Bonus tip, repurpose your video into a Pinterest idea pin or Instagram reel for extra traffic. Step 8. Monetizing cat cooking content. You're probably thinking, okay, cool, this is fun, but where's the money? Glad you asked. Our real monetization angles: TikTok Creator Fund, YouTube Shorts Bonus Ds once your views hit volume. You'll start making money off platform incentives. Merch sell, Chef Mayo, stickers, mugs, or even plushies. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Fourth will make it super easy. Affiliate marketing, promote kitchen gadgets or pet supplies. Chef Whiskers uses this tiny spatula, link in bio. Sponsorships, pet brands, cat food companies, or local kitchenware shops might pay to be in the next viral clip. Custom cameos or voice notes. Sell personalized messages from your cat chef. Sounds silly. People are buying AI anime voice messages already. Bonus, scaling your cat cooking personality and tools that literally do the heavy lifting for you. This niche combines comedy, chaos, and cats, and the internet eats that up every time. Start now, pick your cat chef vibe. Generate a script with ChatGPT. Create images in Leonardo or Midjourney. Animate it, voice it, and edit it fast. Upload, repeat, scale. And if this gave you a light bulb moment, hit that like button, comment on what dish you want Chef Mayo to try next, and don't forget to subscribe for more Faceless AI content hacks.